Where am I supposed to put this? How you doing, Steven? Just checking my tie.
Hello, everyone at Gordon Athletics.
Abby Bear!
I get tired.
Oh, we got Tamar! I don't talk, just yell. So here's the deal. This is a race. What's up, Cam Dog? Let me temperature check you. How was class?
Tiring.
You're good. You guys good?
Yeah.
You're cold. Do some push-ups. It's the secret. When you're cold, you gotta do push-ups. Otherwise, don't complain. Come on! Come on! Kendall, they're all gone. The beauty of coaching distance is that, you know, they just disappear. How is this difficult?
I was just saying.
Is this weather gonna break? Let's see. Tell America. America! Ooh! Getting low, getting low. I'm not dancing. Born ready to race. Fired up. Air knuckles. Oh, Rachel. We gotta do our air. Got your leopard mask on. She's like straight cheetah. Big Steve. It's how old time. Back when I was in like high school, this is how I used to time, because everything was hand time. Everyone would stand up here and the 100-meter would start and you watch the smoke go off. 6 people, 8 people would start their watches. Straight old school. Just total time. And then cheer. Cam Dog. You're on mic right now, you know that, right? How do you say fired up in Spanish? Go! So you're running 2K. It's basically like a mile with a 400 at the end.
Okay.
It's just that magical. Race, have some fun, go for 8:30. Listen, don't overthink it, just race it. What's up, Rachel? And then close it up.
The sun's coming out.
I know, it's breaking. What's up?
Woo!
It's gonna be a rainbow.
That's what I literally said 20 seconds.
You're special. That would convert to...
You want to start a 6:17 mile?
Heck yeah. You're
That's
fast. Did you think a 2K was gonna be slow?
Yeah, like 12 minutes.
Oh gosh. Get out of town. All right, get your accelerators on. First race goes off. What did I say? Oh, the sun is breaking just for your race. Schneiderito. Ooh, that was a good rip. You're gonna kindly let him know that we're racing.
Should I invite him to do the Masters?
No, you can't invite him. COVID. Definitely don't want your shoes falling off. That's why I'm taping you. I'm just kidding. It's a rainy day. But you are fast. This is a mindset right here. You know what happens when you're scared? You run fast. Where?
Where?
I must be blind. Double rainbow.